Welcome to the tutorial video of the Customer Relationship Management (CRM) module part 1. In this session, we will discuss the CRM masters, which are the basic configuration forms required before creating any customer records in the system. These masters help in standardizing customer data, locations, classifications, and other important details required for effective customer management. First, we will start with the Regions master. Once you click on the Regions option, the system will redirect you to the region listing page where all the previously created regions are displayed. To create a new region, click on the Add button, enter the required details, and then click on Save to successfully create the region. Next, we will move to the Country master, where you can add the countries relevant to your business operations. Similar to the Regions master, click on the Add button, enter the country details, and save the record. After that, we will proceed with the Port master, which is used to maintain the list of ports required for logistics or export-import related customer information. Following this, we will configure the Zone master, then the State master, and then the City, Town master along with the Market area master. These location masters together form the complete geographical structure required for proper customer address management and reporting. Once all the location masters are configured, we will move to the Document Drive master. This master is used to define the document storage locations which will later be used while uploading customer-related documents in the CRM module. After clicking on Add, specify the drive details and save the configuration. Next, we will configure the Customer Classification master, which is used to categorize customers based on business requirements such as dealer, distributor, retailer, corporate customer, or any other classification defined by the organization. Click on Add, enter the classification details, and save the record. After that, we will set up the Customer Documents master, where we define the types of documents required for customers, such as GST certificate, PAN card, agreements, registration certificates, or any other compliance documents. This helps in maintaining proper documentation for each customer. Then we will move to the Business Unit master, which is used to define the different business units or divisions of the organization that may be associated with customers. Add the required business units and save them. Next is the Competitor master, where we maintain the list of competitors related to our customers or market segments. The process remains the same. Click on Add, enter the competitor details, and save. Finally, we will configure the Customer Priority master, which is used to define the priority levels of customers such as high, medium, or low. This helps the sales and support teams focus on important customers based on business priority. Please note that all these CRM masters must be properly configured before creating the customer master records, as these masters will be used as reference data while adding customer details. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In the next part, we will continue with the customer master creation process.